Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So today I am going to show you how to change your default profile language on your LinkedIn. So first, what you need to do is to simply launch your LinkedIn app on your mobile, and then after you do that, just tap on the upper left side of your screen right here, and then you'll need to go to your settings, which is at the bottom part of your screen, and load it. And here you need to go to your account preferences, and then scroll down and go to your language. And as you can see here, it says that the LinkedIn app uses the same language that is currently set on your device. So in order to change your language in your LinkedIn app, you also need to change the language, your default language on your phone. So you'll need to go to your settings and simply search language, and then just pick language from that list and then confirm your selection. So that is all for this video, and I hope it helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.